What color is that?
Bag.
Shoes. What's this?
Bucket.
Fire truck, yeah. What about that?
Bag.
Wagon. What's this?
Shoe bag.
Strawberry.
Bag.
What color is this?
Bucket.
What color is this?
Bucket.
Sydney, did you just toot?
Juice.
Did you just toot?
Bacon.
What's this?
Banana.
Banana. What's this?
Bucket.
Dump truck. What about this?
Peach.
Lemon. Is that a yellow lemon?
Lemon. Meat.
Corn. That's corn. Where's the chick?
Dick.
Where's the flower?
Color.
Where's the lemon?
Lemon.
Where's the corn? Yeah. Where's the dump truck? Oops.
Oops.
Dump truck. Where's the banana?
Banana.
Yep.
Baby.
Blueberries. Where's the balloon?
Mm.
Where's the shoes?
Shoe.
Oh. Green.
Pea.
Where's the frog?
Look.
Where'd the froggy go?
Buggy.
Where's the frog?
Look.
What color is this?
Red.
What color is that? Pink. Oh, pig. Yeah, that's the pig. Where's the present?
Red.
Where's the water?
Water.
Water.
Water. Water.
Where's the eggs?
Egg.
Pants. Balloon. Blueberries. Shoes. Okay, next page. Let's see what color's next. What color is that? Green?
Bean.
Grapes? Where's the grapes?
Rib.
No, that's watermelon.
Beach.
Orange.
Bat.
What's that?
Bam.
Is that a pumpkin? Where's the ball?
Ba.
Where's the fishy?
Sushi.
No. There it is. Where's the orange?
It.
Carrots. Where's the orange?
It.
Yep. Where's the pumpkin?
Drink it. Drink it. Cooking.
I love you.
Cooking. Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, book.
Bye-bye. Cookie.
Bye-bye, ducky. Ooh, there's the doggy.
Bye-bye, Cookie. Oh.
Where's the choo-choo? Oh, there's the choo-choo.
Bitchy.
Where's the spider?
Fire.
The bug. Where's the bug?
Bug.
Yep.
Menu.
Piano. Where's the dog?
Dog.
Where's the spider?
Look up.
Where's the blackberries?
Bye-bye. Choo-choo.
Yep.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye, book.
Bye.